Welcome to another Viictini adventure. We've got one pack down and three to go.
Well, then you better keep it even and take one.
Yeah, but you know what they say, once you go black.
You go blue. That's the process of a bruise.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. A little lesson for today.
Right or left?
Right.
There we go. Now that we've got some awkward silence out of the way.
What's even more funny is what color is on that pack.
Blue. Because you go black. Yeah, and then the blue's on the back. Well, I'm glad that you know how it works.
That doesn't sound bad or anything.
I don't know how bruises work. I don't bruise, I tear all my ligaments and muscles. And
Is it my turn?
go ahead, dear.
Water.
No, it is not your turn.
Thank you.
Fighting. No,
Not fight. I wouldn't want that to fight me though.
that would be very scary.
Fire.
I'd be very confused looking for the hands that go in the sleeves. Grass. Oh, I got a fungus.
Is it a mungus?
No, that's a fungus, and then they go ahead and come a fungus.
Trainer.
I beam.
I-beam?
I beam.
Oh my.
Grass. Nope, wasn't that grass? It's in the fall leaves. We're gonna have some of that here soon.
Oh, I almost said otherwise.
Almost. Water energy.
Dark energy. This
No
is not allowed to be tied.
You got two chances to my one chance.
Grass. Oh, wait. What beat you? Or at least tied again.
Grass. It's water. And a beautiful illustration rare. I like that one.
Did you pick this box?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I picked them all. They're all mine. I picked them.
By adding them to your cart. Physically and with the button pushing?
Well, just physically.
What shall we end with? Fighting.
Ooh, double water. We're all washed up. We got ourselves a double hit.
The last three were waters.
Oh, they were, weren't they?
So
when we started with water, we ended with water. All right. That's such a pretty card. All right. Well, we're going to go off swimming, so you guys have a great, wonderful evening, lunch, dinner, and dessert.